What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we gotta have a chat, to be honest, guys. Now, I made a video at the beginning of this year to try and figure out when our altcoins were gonna top. We need to revisit that, but before we do, make sure all of you have paused the video, smash that like button, go and drop me a sub. Let's have a look. Alrighty, guys, now we're going to get into all of the usual stuff like after this bit, but I just thought I would address this first. We'll look into what we're expecting from ICP at the very end of the video, the immediate short-term targets and then the long-term targets as well. But let's just take a little backtrack.
It's looking like we're having 1 month less in each alt season. So we went from a 12-month to an 11-month to a 10-month, and that would indicate January 2025 being the top.
Right, now that is fantastic, guys, but there are a few things that were different now to what we were expecting back then. What we were expecting back then was to be hovering below the all-time high up until the point of the halving, and the halving was on April the 1st. Look where we had our breakout for the total 3 altcoin market cap, guys. It was earlier. So look, if we do have that same theory and we bring it back, 10 months or 40 weeks, 40 bars brings us to November the 18th. So does this mean we're going to have our next leg for altcoins very, very, very soon? Maybe we do have a pumpy September and a pumpy October, or maybe even like a pumpy October into a pumpy November. And then that marks the top, and everybody who says, right, altcoin season must go on until the end of 2025 becomes this cycle's bag holders, right? I wanted to backtrack and just get you guys' opinions on that. Do you guys think it's going to be 1 month diminishing time for each altcoin season? Do you think we're still going to have an altcoin season? Do you think it doesn't matter, we were just ahead of the schedule and the ETFs just pushed us forward, but we've still got, you know, up until January, maybe even some people online are saying to March of next year, guys. Now, another thing, guys, I'm ramping up the trades in the free community, so you can go and join the Telegram. It's absolutely free to join. We're looking at a Bitcoin breakout trade right now on Blowfin, which looks like it's pushing up to that 61k, which was also in line with the CME gap that we covered in yesterday's video. So that is looking good, but we can be finding some resistance at around 61.7, I believe it is. Yeah, 61.7, 61.8k. So before you do get your ants in your pants and you think, oh my god, I've missed it, chill. But could a crash be coming sooner than we think, guys? It's not just Warren Buffett, but Warren Buffett has sold another 981 million shares of Bank of America. He now holds 278 billion in cash. Please let me hold some, Warren Buffett, right? If you let me do a $1 billion giveaway to everybody who subscribed, right? That would be fantastic. But he's holding a lot. There's a lot of big other asset managers and big investors who are holding large cash positions at the moment. And I think they are sort of getting ready for a housing decline. Okay, maybe as well as a stock market decline. But we do buy the chains that are looking the most promising. ICP is our baby. ICP is like one of the strongest resisting coins today. We check out coin market cap, boom, you can see we're 46 neutral. We probably are a little bit lower realistically, but we're at $8 today. We were at $7 something yesterday. We're going to go check the level that I need us to be holding. Otherwise, we're probably going to revisit $6. And if we do hold this level, then where can we go to next? But $8, that is looking very, very promising. And then Dom posed a very, very good question. The AI industry has standard tests and benchmarks to compare models. Why don't we have that in blockchain? Sovereign hardware, infinite scalability, hosting AI models, cloud efficiency, interactive web, CK multi-chains, reverse gas, sessions. And again, we all know why it is, because statistics would be completely skewed in ICP's favor. And again, that's probably another reason why they were nerfing us on coin market cap, because their favorite shit coins, you know, they would have been hang out to dry, I believe is the term. Now, Bitcoin seems to be lagging behind the global M2 money supply. We did just print a new all-time high for the global M2. And if you have a look here, it looks like we actually are starting to find our first little sell-off. Okay, doesn't mean this can't just be like a slight rejection and then it continues higher. But is Bitcoin in this stage here? It looks very much like it, guys. Is 100k Bitcoin coming in soon? in the next few months, which then pushes up our alt season very early. Again, something to bear in mind. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But Charting Guy did post this today, and look, January 20th to March 22nd, 2025 top between 110k to 150k with a 35k bear market bottom, guys. Do you think that is on the cards? It looks like we could be playing out this fractal, and again, even this early March top would catch a lot of investors out, guys. So all your YouTubers are going to start to say, super cycle, we're going to go on forever, Bitcoin only goes up. Plan B, the retard, is telling us that it's going to go up to 500k, like he said in the last cycle, right? So yeah, just bear that in mind. Altcoins are looking very, very good. Look at the altcoin buy signal. Currently at the sell your house to buy more. Don't sell your house to buy more. Don't take out loans, guys. But last time Bitcoin was at this level, exactly 4 years ago in the summer of 2020, the price went vertical from 10k to 60k over the next 6 months. Looks like we're in the exact, well, near the exact same range, guys. Are we going to start to go vertical? Now, I posted this on the community tab. Again, if you've got this far, you're not subscribed, please just support me, guys. If you got this far, you haven't left a comment. If you got this far and you haven't liked the video, do something for me today, please, baby. But we're finding resistance at the 0.5 fib. If we lose $7.12, I will short this thing down to $6, and that will probably be in line with Bitcoin having a flush down to like 50k, 48k, whatever it is. But to say I'm shorting it down here is not to say, right, I'm completely, you know, bearish on ICP, and maybe it doesn't go well for me. But it is so, if it does go down this low, number one, I'm making money. Number two, I can buy the hell out of that dip and double up how much money I do make on the way back up. But what I would like to see, guys, is for us to continue the coil up all the way until, when is that, September. We go into Pumptober, have our breakout, and then where would that leave us? Will bring us on our journey to technically $15. Not bad, okay? But then we're going to be looking at the upper targets of $30 all the way to $70 for the next leg. And again, a lot of people have different price targets. I did say that average sell price hopefully should be around $70 for ICP, because we're not trying to be overly risky. And yes, we will be selling higher if we do get higher prices. We won't be fully out at $70, but this could bring us on our next leg, guys, to that 1618, $30. That's going to be fantastic. Everybody who's been buying at the $6 at these buys down here, you're going to be up 500%. And everybody who got in earlier at like the $3, $4, like most of us on this channel, we're going to be up 10x at that point, which is a lovely return for ICP. But right now we need to be holding that $7.12. We need to make sure that we can just continue to coil up, hopefully have this larger macro breakout, and then start to have our next parabolic rally maybe mid to end of September, which is going to be in line with the rate cuts, and then boom, Pumptober. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So that's it. If you made it this far, again, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a sub, and guys, peace.